Arabic noun may be indefinite or definite. Indefinite nakirah, definite ma'rifah. There are no definite or indefinite articles in Arabic language equivalent to English e and the. Indefinites of ism noun is indicated by tanween, nunation at the end of the noun ism, which means the vowel sign is doubled at the end of the word. Definitives is indicated by alif lam prefixed to the noun. For example, kitab indefinite nakirah, a book. Al-kitabu definite ma'rifah, the book. Qalam indefinite nakirah. Al-qalamu, the book, the pen. Ma'rifah, definite. Since ism cannot at the same time be definite and indefinite, tanween and alif lam do not coexist. Al-kitab and al-qalam, al-kitabun and al-qalamun will be incorrect. Al-qalamu, al-kitabu, but al-kitabun incorrect, will be incorrect. Al-qalamun will be incorrect. Tanween is also used with proper nouns. For example, Zaydun, tanween with tanween. Khalidun with tanween. Muhammadun. Even though there is a tanween at the end of the noun, these proper nouns are definite. Khalidun, Muhammadun, Zaydun. Tanween is also used with proper nouns. Even though there is a tanween at the end of the noun, these proper nouns are definite. Proper nouns only. Proper nouns are definite only. Khalidun, Muhammadun, Zaydun.